I wonder how electrolytes, 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and some magnesium are going to react on a hot cooking surface on a steak. We are seasoning our steak today with LMNT electrolytes. Now, LMNT did not sponsor this video. They didn't send me this stuff. I've actually been drinking it for the last month or so every morning, and it's so salty. I was like, I might as well try this on a steak and see what the hell happens. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're just going to season a nice Delmonico up. This is certified Angus beef, nothing fancy, but delicious. And now let's see how electrolytes season a steak. Turns out that the really interesting part is that one packet seasons this 1¼ pound Delmonico perfectly on all sides, front and back, or top and bottom, however you want to put it. And I'm just using that, no pepper. We're gonna put a little layer of avocado oil down, and whoa. Now the Halo griddle is the hottest griddle you can get. So we're sitting at around 650 degrees right now. So we're cooking hot, real hot. Now it smells fantastic. They come in a bunch of different flavors. Now this is the unflavored. An interesting thing would be to create a marinade with them, maybe for chicken, and try the mango chili one. Gonna try that next. If this is good, of course. It's been about 60 seconds. I wanna check on the sear. Yep, we're getting a nice sear on there. Let's move it around. If you're not getting an even sear, just kind of move it around like this. Don't worry, we're not gonna lose any of that seasoning. It's in there. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see our sear now. You know, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous sear. All the oil's down here, so gonna get that oil in there. I don't know, guys, I'm pretty excited about this. It's also a Delmonico for lunch, so that's exciting in its own right. All right, it's been about 1.5 minutes on this side. Let's check the sear. Gorgeous, gorgeous sear. I'm gonna say we're about done. And that is an amazing sear on a steak. Woo! Let's see if it's any good. We're gonna let it rest for 5-10 minutes. Okay, now it's been about 5 minutes. That's a long enough rest for this guy. You can hear nice crust. Let's slice her up. Not only is it a perfect crust, but it's a perfect cook too. That is gorgeous. Cut it into some nice thick mouthfuls. All right, we're gonna try this piece right here. Cheers. Seasoned with electrolytes. Never did I ever think that it would come to this. Wow. I mean, it's an incredible steak. Certified Angus beef, nice Delmonico. I mean, I couldn't have cooked it more perfectly, I don't believe. This is how I prefer my steak. Gorgeous crust, 100% the whole way through. Rare to medium rare on the inside. You get that crunch, you get the beef. Yeah, guys, this is crazy good. I'm a happy guy right now. I'm a really happy guy right now. I mean, I'm usually always happy, but I have my moments just like anybody else, you know? All right, let's try the spinalis, which is undoubtedly the best part. God, look, the crust on this is just gorgeous. It's one of the better steaks that I've made in a while. Now, is it because of the seasoning? I mean, there is 1,000 milligrams of sodium. I don't know that I would put that, yeah, I probably put that much on it in normal salt. I mean, it is sodium chloride, so it's just like table salt that is in electrolytes, but also with the potassium and magnesium and the other vitamins and minerals, but it's damn good. You guys, Want to know if you're going to give this a try. If you drink Element, let me know. Also, I'd love to know if you're going to do a marinade with one of the flavored ones. What are some of the craziest seasoning blends that you've ever done on a steak or a piece of meat or anything like that? Have you tried to experiment like this? Because this was an absolute win. I mean, there's no other way around it. I mean, we just put 1,000 milligrams of sodium on a steak that was a pretty great looking steak. I mean, it was a $14 steak, not super expensive, but a beautiful, well-marbled Delmonico. And I mean, that crust. Let's just hold space for that crust on that steak for just a second. Okay, so the electrolytes combined with the heat and the oil and the hot griddle and the amino acids and fat in the meat created an incredible crust. And a lot of the flavor I have to attribute right to there. So, guys, if you want to give this a try, like I said, Element didn't sponsor this video. They have no idea who I am. I've been buying Element myself with my own money and just thought I would give it a try because it's so salty and I love salty on steaks. Who doesn't? But if you guys want to try a sample pack from Amazon, I put an Amazon affiliate link down below. You can help support the channel that way. If you want to try it, I highly recommend them. I've been drinking, like I said, I've been drinking them for a little over a month now, every single morning as soon as I wake up, and I've had way more energy than I've had in a long time. I'm also running, and it's made an impact. I can honestly say that it's made an impact, and I know this sounds like a commercial, but it's not. Like I said, not a sponsor. But I'd love to know what you guys think. What should I experiment with next? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to talk to you. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the process, folks.